Good and blessed day, everyone out there. This is your host and career supporter, Eric, with the Homework Now YouTube channel. And you know what today is? It's Saturday, so that means Side Hustle Saturday. This is where we scout, research, and provide at home, hybrid business opportunities and career resources for the everyday workers. We have some exciting opportunities today, but before we start, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel to get the latest info from Homework Now. All right, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so today's opportunity for Side Hustle Saturday is more of a resource rather than an actual opportunity. You know, if you're looking for a side hustle to get started in, and you're like, well, where is there like a database, a website to where I can research other ones, or maybe I can see which ones I actually qualify for and I can work around my other schedules? Well, that's what sidehustlestack.com is all about. It's actually a database for earning extra opportunities and earning extra cash. Sidehustlestack.com is the ultimate database of earning opportunities. So it basically, and you have the option to put in your email address, to get newsletters and information about side hustles, about extra earning opportunities. But it's just, like I said, if you're looking for just a website, just a place where you can look for opportunities to go and to research side hustles, this is the spot to do it. So you can look for and have it broken down into different categories to work anywhere, to low requirements, build a business, and gig work. So let's look at work anywhere. These are the ones that you can work anywhere. So like some are like Medium. I've never actually heard of Medium before. Write on Medium about what matters to you, build an audience, and learn and earn money when members read your story. So let's click on about Medium. So it was founded in 2011, and requirements is just you need an audience and computer or smartphone, and the pricing free. Okay, so let's look at the actual website. So Medium, human stories and ideas. Okay, so this would be an awesome opportunity just to research and look and see which one opportunity fits for your lifestyle. So like I said, this is just a database, a resource to help look for the right side hustle that fits for you. And let's take a look at some ePal. Like I said, some of these I have never heard before. I'm gonna do some other work shows on this to further research this. But like I said, today's side hustle is just a side hustle resource. So ePal, what is ePal? Well, I've never heard of it. Oh, so this is actually looks like for gamers. So if you're into gaming, this may be an opportunity for you. So let's take a look at the website. Become an ePal now, high income, flexible, and make friends. So this is for all those gamers out there. You like to, uh, challenge yourself on video games, and maybe even play with others. Get to have an opportunity. It says look for you can earn extra money on this website as well. Okay, so that's interesting. I might have to sign up that for myself. Let's scroll down and look. So you can work anywhere with these opportunities. Upwork, I've heard of Upwork before. Like I said, some of these I have never heard about. Fervor, I've heard of Etsy. Of course, we've heard about Twitch. Um, that's a good one. Postmark, I've heard of that one. But yeah, Patreon, and that's another one. So if, like I said, if this is where if you want to go and research about opportunities where you can work anywhere, anytime you have a global reach, then work anywhere category on Side Hustle Stack is for you. So let's take a look at low requirements, very low requirements to get in. Get quick. That's something that's fairly new. Rejoice, Nexus, Tails. Those are some things that like I said, I've never heard before. Angie, oh yeah, okay, Angie Services. So you can, do tasks, find professional pros. Of course, Angie's List is a good resource. TipTap, I've never heard of it. This is a Swedish-based platform to help local communities browse opportunities to get paid for helping with tasks in the neighborhood. Skillshare, Curated. This is a bunch of websites, Rover, that help that have low requirements as far as side hustle. Here we have one that's called Build a Business. Again, some of the same opportunities. Also, they added Substack. I've never heard of that one before as well. Look at some of these food. No, okay, let's take a look at this one. Start your home restaurant fulfilling orders for folks who enjoy home cooked meals, based out of Riverside, California, and surrounding areas. Okay, so you have the price rate and what takes to requirements for age 18, audience, computer, smartphone. So that looks like an easy sign up. Let's take a look at this website and see what they're allowed. Oh, okay, so that website is down, so that is not good. But yeah, um, oh no, I have to probably refresh and do that. So whatnot is on here: ShareGreen, Etsy, and all of the sort. So that is interesting. And then also you have gig work. I guess we're all familiar with gig work. Quick, 99 Designs, Dumpling, Uber, Lawn Love, Upwork, Pickle. I mean, all the typical gig work that you have that you heard of. So, yeah, this is interesting. This is an interesting website. So, sidehustlestack.com is the ultimate database of earning opportunities. Like I said, you look sometimes like you've heard of these websites, you've heard these opportunities, but you just don't know where to go. Side Hustle Stack would be a perfect opportunity to save this website, research it, look at all these opportunities for side hustles and extra cash flow. And I really think that this will help you out, like in your goal to make extra money for yourself and for your family. So, sidehustlestack.com. I will leave a link in the description below. And like I said, if you feel like you need the database, figure out the research to find out where your side hustle, what next side hustle you're going to take on, this is the perfect website for you today. Well, guys, thank you so much for checking out this Side Hustle Saturday episode. It's a very brief show. Just want to present to you some side hustle resources, extra earning opportunities, information. Like I said, go to sidehustlestack.com and check out those information and websites and see if they are a good fit for you and for your professional goals to earn some extra money. Thanks again. Have a wonderful Saturday, and I hope to see you again soon. All right, guys, take care.